Hi everyone, this is Holly from Hot Humble Pie. Today I am going to share with you all of the neat new items they have out for fall 2023. And as always, I hope you enjoy the show. Let's get to it. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you click that button. So this year they brought out again these great little silver buckets. They're metal buckets for fall. I actually have a side-by-side comparison I'm going to show you this year and last year's. I love the designs this year. Last year, this is last year's right here. They had the Grateful and Blessed, Gather, and Always Be Thankful. I did like the Always Be Grateful. That's probably why it was sold out, and the Gather one a lot. I wish they brought those back out. Some of the Dollar Trees, I am seeing these, but I think they're left over from last year, but the new ones are also very cute. And of course, this is our fall little aisle here beginning. Now, I hit the big city when I went to go to get a bunch of stuff for my house, and there was a Dollar Tree right next to it. And I know whenever you're in a big city, chances are that Dollar Tree is going to have all of the new things out a lot faster, because my local Dollar Trees are telling me they're not going to put it out until they put out the school supplies. But here we go. They have the felt stickers, all kinds of different stickers. Check these out right here. They are so cute. Gnomes, scarecrows, just your typical fall festival, autumn festival, harvest, fall themed stickers. Really cute. And then they had these little tiny, I guess they're like candle holders. These are new to me in my Dollar Tree, and I was actually very impressed with these. They have fall leaves, they have pumpkins, and they have an acorn, and they come in different colors. Here's the acorn. There's another acorn right there that's white and brown. And here's an orange one that's really bright that I thought was so cute. Unfortunately, that day my car was so packed with Home Depot stuff, I could barely fit in the driver's seat, so I couldn't buy anything. So I hope these things are still there when I go back to shop next week, because they were really cute. So here's some buffalo check little pumpkins, and they had them in black buffalo check and in the orange buffalo check. I think that was out last year. I'm not sure. I think I saw them on other YouTube videos. My Dollar Tree is just getting them this year, and they have these little mini burlap pumpkins. Aren't they cute? And from what I could tell when I fished around there, unless some of them sold out already, they come in this light color, like just natural burlap, and the orange burlap. They also have these little mini velvet pumpkins. Those appear to be very popular. As you can see, they have been picked over big time. And they have these cute little, I guess it's square, it's a sign, but it's supposed to be a rolling pin. I think that's totally cute for your kitchen. And of course, they brought back their awesome wood cutouts. We have apples, acorns, maple leaves. I don't know what that is, right? I think that's hot cocoa. I think it's sideways, and I think that's a fox at the top. It was totally cute. And here, these, to me, these can be pumpkins and maybe even apples if you're good at painting like shadows and stuff to create an illusion. We have our wooden little craft circles, and that one with the pumpkins on the bottom is new for me. I've never seen that before. And we have these acorns. Now, I thought this was a great idea. I was really happy to see them, but I thought the top of the acorn was kind of weird, because acorns usually have a top that comes further down on the acorn, so I don't like the style, unfortunately, but it was a great idea. We have burlap stickers there that can easily be used for decor on your crafts, little mini haystacks, and I loved the new scarecrow hats. Those are new for me. These right here, I thought these were absolutely adorable. I'm not sure what I would do with them. I mean, maybe glued inside a flower, like if you do a bow with flowers, you could glue the little hat in there. And they came with an orange buffalo check accent and a black buffalo check accent. And you can see sunflowers next to it, fall leaves in different colors that are also burlap. And these LED lights are really cute. They come in different themes too, of leaves and autumn colors. These little owls are adorable. Never seen those before. And of course, they brought back their fall themed ribbon, which I love to go through and use for my crafts. We have these mushrooms, which I did see last year. And we have this corn right here, which I also saw last year. I love this, the fake corn. It comes in all different colors, including the dark one on top right here. I thought this was neat. It kind of has burgundy undertones. Very pretty. And you can see next to that, the little mini pumpkins. Those are out, I think, the last 3 years. But here's something new that is new to my Dollar Tree, is this beautiful fall garland. A lot of wooden beads there, little metal you can see it right there, little metal leaves, fall leaves. I think those are maple leaves. Really, really nice. And the gnomes, see all the little gnomes in different colors, so cute. Those are new. These little mini signs are new to my Dollar Tree, all of these. And I was super excited about the wooden bead pumpkins. Now, I swear they are watching our YouTube crafting videos. I think they do, and they get ideas, because those are things that we have been doing on the videos, and they're duplicating them, which is kind of neat. They're making some of our crafts for people who don't have time to craft. They can still get the look. And of course, they have the door hangers there that are very festive with the pumpkins, sunflowers, thankful sign, a bike. They brought the big fat pumpkin form out again, which I have never been able to get, but here was my exciting find of the day. I absolutely love these new pumpkins. I hope they are not sold out. If they are, hopefully the Dollar Trees that bring in things later, the ones near me that say they're going to come later, will have these. That was a ticking stripe pumpkin I was holding up there, and all of these come in this little cute plaid. It's almost like a flannel. So cute, and those are selling out fast. They are very high-end looking. I love those pumpkins. And here are the faux books that have autumn sayings on. They have these little signs that are new. What I really liked about their new signs, you can see the tractor there laying on the side. I pick it up, and all of those signs right there were thicker than they usually are. That's something, at least for my Dollar Tree, that's a new trend that they're bringing out. You know, normally it was just those thin signs hanging everywhere on the wall somewhere in your Dollar Tree, you know, made out of the MDF board. But this is the first time I've seen them actually make a real effort with like little smaller versions of signs and decor that look a lot like they could come from Hobby Lobby or a craft store. So I was really, really impressed with these. As you can see, there's all kinds of different ideas that they've come up with. Acorns, the maple leaf, and a little pumpkin. It says thankful right there. And then we have the pumpkins at the top. That says hello pumpkin, that says hello autumn, and then fall, sweet fall. Great concepts there. I love it. And they have these little signs here, which I think because of the wooden frames and the wooden beads, they do look really high end, and they had a lot of choices. I'm going to show you them again slowly. Pumpkin kisses, autumn days are best, hello pumpkin, autumn leaves, and what does it say? Ladder, please? I'm not sure what that says. They're so cute. And of course, we all love this right here, the bigger pumpkin with a smaller pumpkin. I love that. It's a little mini version of what you would find at Hobby Lobby and Michael's, but here, fresh apple cider. I loved these little mini bottles that stand up on their own. That's my favorite right there, pumpkin punch. Love that one. And they have a bunch of fall pillows right here. Again, new to my Dollar Tree. I think I may have seen them in another Dollar Tree because I was actually driving across the United States all the way to the East Coast last year. So I think I saw those in one of the Dollar Trees in Nebraska. So I'm not sure those are new, but they're new to my Dollar Tree. Here are some more of their pumpkins that are burlap that I saw last year and fell in love with, and I didn't get to craft with because they weren't at my Dollar Tree, but I absolutely love them. You can see all the different gourds and pumpkins they have. They have them in ceramic, shiny, matte, plain, everything, and then some. I will tell you that this Dollar Tree had a lot of treasures up high, and they had 5 shelves. It was really tall. I was on my tippy toes here trying to film. I didn't even see what I was filming, just so you could see. Again, here's some more autumn stuff they're bringing out. This might be new for you. I'm just showing you everything so you can keep your eye out. And this is kind of cute. It's a little chair cover. That's fun for kids. It looks like it's made out of felt. And these window decorations I did see last year again on the road, so I don't think they're new this year, but their window clings are really nice. And I'll tell you, once you hit in the middle of the United States, suddenly you see the window clings. I didn't see those in California. They just were never, we didn't get them. I don't know why, but suddenly they start showing up from the Midwest onwards to the East Coast. So that's lots of fun for me. And I hope you guys can find them too. I love these little mini ceramic dishes. They are so high end looking to me. I actually have one on my sink where I keep my soap in and my sponge. I think they are so cute. And they've brought back those beautiful like little mini berry garland things in different colors. I love them. We have some interesting acorn picks here that are made out of felt. And then we have the plush pumpkins right there. Sorry, my finger was over the top. That's what they look like. These are the ones on the really top shelf I told you about that I am really struggling to get up there. So my finger was actually covering the lens for a second there because I was like so excited, but I was standing, it's really hard to get up there. But they had, at least I've never seen it. Look at those. Those were out last year. I love those right there. It's like seagrass or I don't think that's twine. I think it's like a seagrass look. I love those. The covered pumpkins. They have knitted pumpkins, velvet pumpkins, plastic pumpkins, muted pumpkins. Those are new. I've never seen those before. And here's some more bigger burlap clip-on pumpkins right there that I thought were really neat, and those come in green. So I don't know if the small ones came in green and they were sold out the day I was there, but these medium-sized ones do come in that green color up above, and it looks like they come in a rusty color as well as a natural color. And here's a new one that I haven't seen before, faux leather pumpkins. Check those out. I mean, they've thought of everything. They really have upped their game here, and I love what they're doing. Love these right here, the muted pumpkin clips. Look at the realism of those. I think that is so beautiful. So here are some of the front outdoor garden stakes that you can get. This is one, and this is another one. I like this one a lot. I thought the dimension on this was really, really nice. Here's a sign again. Kind of looks like a Hobby Lobby type sign. It's a little thinner, but you could change that. And here's one of my absolute favorites, the apple pie sign. They had this for apple cider, apple pie. And they also had it for the right there, hot apple cider. I knew there was a cider one. They had it for apple cider. Those can so easily be glued onto a wooden sign and look so expensive. And hopefully, like I said, these things will be there. I would love to show you in my next DIYs how to really take these to the next level. So here's what we have this year. We have these neat signs, and in general, I just think the Dollar Tree is coming out with much higher end looking signs. So it's giving us a much better, I guess, base to work with for our crafts. It's much easier now to make them look like they came from a high-end craft store or a high-end home decor store. And they have beautiful florals. They have some autumn garland right there with autumn leaves. Here's some more signs. Pumpkin pie underneath with a little rolling pin is new to my Dollar Tree, as well as these round faux cutting boards here. These are new to my Dollar Tree. I've never seen those. Even the fall one that I showed you earlier right there, that's new to my Dollar Tree. And here's some of the longer signs. I can't remember if I saw those last year or not. I know I saw the 3 little like buffalo check ones hanging. I've seen those. I did not see these last year. I love these. Another really high-end looking sign. Except for the glitter. I wish they would leave off the glitter because that just doesn't, it's like the sign is rustic, right? The sign is all made rustic and then they suddenly slap glitter on the lettering. I don't know why they do that. But their autumn florals also really, really elegant and beautiful. Love what they're bringing out this year. Okay, so that's it for today, you guys. That's all they brought out in my local Dollar Tree in my big city anyway. So far, that's what I've got to show you. Maybe they'll be bringing out some more goodies, and I will show you as they come. Keep your eye out because there's some really beautiful items on their way.